Hello everyone, welcome to Stamping Within. Thanks for stopping by today. Unboxing, as the title says. It's been a while, I know. I've had this order boxed for about 3 weeks. Real life's been a bit of a nightmare. But anyway, let's crack on, shall we? Basic white cardstock. Thick and standard. Okay, just to start us off, the brushed brass butterflies. Love these. Not sure what I'm going to do with them yet, but there you go. But if it's brass, then I love it. This is bordered ribbon in basic beige. Yeah, can you see that? Basic beige is a new colour, isn't it? It's one I don't have a spot for. So, you know, but hey ho, never mind. Now, the first of the sweets I got kind of confused me. Because when I opened the box, and I got my catalogue as well, because I was sorting out what DSP I've got that's still current and what I'd retired, you know, that's all done now. But this isn't in the catalogue. So I thought, oops. Anyway, so I'm guessing it must be an online one. But anyway, it's a lovely sweet. You get these lovely jewels, pecan pie and clear ribboned adhesive backed dots. There we go. There's a bit of a close-up of them. Aren't they pretty? Yeah. Comes with ribbon, frayed cross grain ribbon. Love this stuff actually. This is in white. I've possibly got a roll of it already actually, but yeah. The stamp set, iconic imagery. So this is something you can use all year, and it's definitely one that I won't get rid of. You know, you've got snowflakes, you've got leaves and trees for autumn, candles for birthdays, celebrations, hearts, fruits, dottage, of course. Got to have the dottage. Peace, joy. Light the season. Love you. Yeah, you get the idea. Let's celebrate. Yeah, so that's our photopolymer. There it is, in all its glory. Comes with dies, iconic imagery dies. I've already opened these, by the way, just to save a bit of time. You know, got rid of the plastic wrapping, turn the dies so we can see them. So some nice border dies there, some stars, some hearts, some little twigs, dies for the stars and the fruits and the heart, which is nice. Oh, and for the candle, some bigger stars. That will do the leaves, I'm guessing, and that will do those leaves. So yeah, and I'm wondering, that big die will probably do those. So yeah, lovely. And it comes with Iconic Celebrations Designer Series paper. I've not opened this yet. Where's my scissors? Let me just go down the... So... Oops, sorry, I'm out of shot at the minute. But there we go. I'm not going to take it out of the plastic because I'll never get it back in. But how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 of each design, and there's 48 sheets. So we have trees and leaves, candy canes and green leaves, green and white leaves, perfect for birthdays, don't you think? The wine glasses, and hearts for Valentine's, or grateful cards. They're for autumn. Christmas, of course, with the red and green plaid. I love that actually. Oh, and look at those. Hope you can see this. Yeah. I've still got you in shot. Stripes, more leaves. Oh, look at that. Beautiful, gorgeous. Another Christmas one or a celebration one. Yeah, and we have candles, more trees and snowflakes, cherries, and a different kind of plaid, stars and doves, diagonal stripes and more trees, dottage and stars. And there we have it. So lovely. This is a lovely suite actually. I'm looking forward to trying some of the samples. One of the perks of being a demonstrator is you get to we can download a PDF, and it gives you all the supplies that have been used in the cards and projects that you see in the catalogue. So my other suite, wildflower design. Right, designs. I'm not. I can't remember what the suite's called. Let me have a look. Page 30 something, isn't it? The suites. Wildly Flowering is the suite. So then that's what you get, and there's the samples. I've been making some of these. Oh, aren't they pretty? So you get a stamp set, cling stamp set, so our top quality red rubber. Sending happy thoughts. Let me bring you closer. You've been on my mind, thank you. And look at the flowers. And more dottage. Yay! Yay for the dottage. It comes with a set of dies. So border dies and dies to cut out the flowers. Okay. Oh, and that one as well in the middle there. Oh, these dies decorative. Gorgeous, aren't they? It also comes with an embossing folder, Dashing Designs. That's you can't really see it, but that's what it looks like on the product imaging. Okay, beautiful. You get adhesive backed textured dots. So take a look at those. Beautiful, aren't they? And of course it comes with DSP. This is the Wildly Flowering 12 by 12. I need to open this one up as well. This one can come out of here actually, because it's I've got some when Stampin' Up stopped doing Project Life, they sold off the 12 by 12 page protectors, and I bought quite a few, shall we say. So all my DSP gets stored in those. I don't think that's recyclable. That'll go in the bin. So let's have a look at it. How many sheets of each do we get of this one? So 2 sheets of each, so there's going to be 6 designs, 6 double-sided designs. So that's design 1. That's a nice background. Put that over there. Oh, my fingers aren't working today. Design 2. Design 3. Oh, these flowers are very bold, aren't they? They're lovely. design. And this looks like the in colours. Actually, the new in colours. Well, I say new, they've been out since May. Finally, oh no, not finally. Oh, I love this. I think this could be my favourite. This one here, and its companion is like a smaller version. So let me check the coordinating colours. Crumb Cake, Early Espresso, Misty Moonlight, Moody Mauve, Mossy Meadow and Wild Wheat. So 2 of the colours are in there, and the others are from Neutrals. So there we go. Let's put a flower one up, shall we? So there we go. This is my little haul. I've done a pre-order. That's coming. Today's Sunday the 20-something, 25th, and my pre-order is coming on the Thursday the 29th, so there'll be another unboxing video for that. I left the pre-order late because there was some shipping delays, trouble in the Suez Canal and what have you. So that's one sweet, there's the other sweet, and some bits and bobs. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this. I seem to have knocked the phone, it's on the wonk. And I'll see you again soon. Whatever you're doing, have a lovely time. Bye for now.